tears rolling down like pearls, rolling and flowing down the wind of pain. The song is being heard too late, in the fall, in the rain. Who now needs your belated confessions and regrets? Your love was a secret and a puzzle unresolved. I suppose it was the fall streak that the leaves have turned to red. A lonely girl quietly crying in the rain. Our dearest September is to never repeat again. The past will always visit with the fall and the rain, and silently your window cries, and silently your window cries. Our dearest September is to never repeat again. The past will always visit with the fall and the rain, and silently your window cries, and silently your window cries. I now understand you can bring back the past. This is the atonement for all my forgone sins. The fall and this boy were my last destiny. It was my younger ways for which I can never forgive. Happiness pays a visit but once in a life, leaving behind his memories. We spend the rest of our lives searching, but happiness left behind